Hi, I'm Matt Hoots with Sawhorse. I'm at the International Builder Show and Kitchen and Bathroom Show looking at what's hot for your home in 2020. All right, Allie, we're in front of this display right here. So is this a real stone or is this cultured as well?
So this is our Eldorado stone, so it's another architectural stone veneer. This is our European ledge in the color sea cliff. And what's great about this color is we're seeing a lot of design trends towards lighter, brighter colors and spaces. So that's applied on this color palette. And this European ledge is a panelized stone. So what that means is you have multiple stones on one piece, again making it quicker to install. And what I like about this one, it actually uses a stair step seam. So instead of having a vertical seam, which makes it blend into the wall more. So if you stand back, you can't tell where the panels are.
From a distance, it does look like it's single stacked, and honestly, even up close, it looks natural.
Yeah, absolutely. We really pride ourselves on having a natural stone look, but again, with stone veneer, it's a lot lighter weight, and then also we can just really apply the design trends to what's happening right now, which we wouldn't be able to do with natural stone as easily.
So the natural stone, you might have to have like a brick ledge or some sort of footing. So do we need any special design considerations for this?
Absolutely not. So with all of our stone, you don't need any footings. You can just mortar it and put it right on the wall.
Got it. And so as far as interior, exterior, is there a limitation to where this can go?
No, we're seeing a lot of our stone being used both in interior and exterior spaces, especially this European ledge. We've seen it a lot on residential interiors as well as exterior commercial spaces.
Got it. Well, I can definitely see this being a nice accent wall in a house.
Yes, absolutely. Accent walls, on fireplaces, kitchen backsplash. It's a really great option.
All right, let's go take a look at some of the other options that you have now.
Yeah, absolutely.